I've been trying, mama attention. Like, you can propose a kitty cry.
Oh,
sure.
Propose
Send me and come for Nessa. Ladies, so I want us to talk about this issue. It's really bothering me. I've seen this handsome, catchy looking guy and I really love him. I've been trying my best. Don't go there. I've been trying, like, I've been cooking, washing, you know me. I've been dressing like this. I don't know. That beat me from Drew. I've been trying, mama attention. Like, you can propose a kitty cry. Send me and come for Nessa. You guys should help me, seriously.
I think you should tell me. What? Like him.
No.
Have you seen anybody around him?
Nah, and I don't even care about that one. Proposing no, and kai.
But at least you told him he can be picturing and what the man will Ferrari.
I don't want that. I want him to propose. Then I will stretch him like you know.
The guy has other ladies. Maybe a serious girlfriend who will say like maybe sister.
No. Don't go there. I don't like that. Like, I don't even care about he having a girl or something else. I don't care. It's him that I want. I don't care. I don't give a damn about who he is.
Wait. You want him?
Yeah.
Tell him.
Okay, wait. Why shouldn't she tell him? Why?
But listen. So what can you be chatting? I mean, it is pain.
But a dependent guy in maturity.
Let her talk, please.
Cool. But also there. You see some guys yo boys video.
He's very cool.
Listen, this thing has happened before. Listen, it's an experience. There was this guy, you understand? He was like everything a lady would like. Or that pay 40 I see. Then me compare guy. Sister be me. Me compare guy. I want to trim me to say what you're about. And I'm thinking about it. And then I have exams today. And so I can't be thinking about it.
You see?
Oh, so I can't feel strength.
And I'm a catch where and I'll grade and then I have an exam and watch and I say Meshana. And Korea just sending me mobile money. So I don't know.
From the look of things, I don't think he's like that. Just that I'm not going to propose to him for that one day. I won't go there. But
which I answer no copy of it.
You have to tell him.
Oh, but I don't know. I
won't be able to talk again. That one day.
I know if you approach him, he will also like feel comfortable, like you know how to approach you next. Because you know, say, offering, because what they can't say, opening to you, but who's style about approach you? Simple.
What if one of you tell him for me? Oh, like I'll give him the number then.
And so you'll be on pesta here, you understand? And people be a now for baby.
Just give it a try.
That you guys don't understand. I want him to propose. Then machichi me kakra and then.
Is that a problem? How?
But that's the normal thing in Ghana here.
Who said chance on no mechanics and chin mukaka?
Be
But what if say me could propose it, then later on you will come and tell me,
now I'm
I'm the cheap girl.
Yeah, that one too will be possible, but hey, it's my baby.
I can't. I'm not yet.
There's no harm in trying. Even in the Bible, Ruth proposed to Boaz, so it's normal.
So I should propose, right? Yes. Like you should go on a date. Or
wait. Now, me on a date, Ben. No, wait. What be one way, Jane?
Hey, see, my box right now, bro.
If you're not so you are.
I don't like that.
But wait, he will propose like after washing, cooking.
What's that here? Housework in a difference.
That one day.
Housework in a difference.
And found, but seriously.
That means so yeah,
simple. Just wait. He'll propose. You want to? I wait to send me my way. Now that you not propose the.
Let's mean your baby. Yes.
I should just give myself to him. No. Listen. Like I should just give myself to him then.
What's it?
Boys, I would be the man that way.
Oh, they be said after the pen. No, I'll just ask him. Now it doesn't matter. Like propose, we can end up dating after that.
Why really? Oh,
maybe. Oh, yes, sir.
You see?
The guy will like you.
No, there's nothing like that.
Oh, really?
It's not just about the sex. Like after that, there will be something else.
Listen, he's not that type.
What is that type? Why would he ignore me? Like, ignore me.
You say you don't see any girl.
No, and for that one, let's put it aside. I don't mind that, please. No. He's not a gay. He's not a gay. He's straight.
100%.
Straight.
Like, wait. He's straight.
No, don't go there. No.
Definitely, that could be when we say.
Like no. Have you seen this boxer size and the straight? You see, that's what I'm talking. Yeah, it's nice, romantic, very straight.
Wait.
Don't wait.
I can't wait.
Hey, go for it.
I can watch him. You propose now. Wait, give him some.
She has been.
What does washing got to do with this one? I'm just showing him. Say I have feelings for him through the washing, but what should I wait for?
My sister,
maybe he's
continue washing.
You're not seriously there.
Talking about your monthly salary. Serious. Washing, cooking,
but seriously, propose to him. Some men can do.
Oh, when you say propose,
a woman can do glass
better. Yes.
But having sex too is part of the proposing. Like that one who shows say I really want something
more cheaper.
How does sex go to do with being cheap?
Best friends they cook. They have sex with their best friends too. So
get pregnant too. Add that one. Really?
Yes. That one they have not seen it before.
Oh yeah, some pregnancy drop.
No, but seriously, you have to go and propose to the guy if you like him. Another person would tell her I know be there for.
You should go on romantic date.
Oh yeah, that's why I try so phenomenal.
Hey,
or trying as a guy and also try to be beer. Maybe I feel now going to be chin book.
It is what you know, cannot boy propose.
The thing I have feelings for the guy. You people don't understand. How can I ignore a case like this? How can I ignore it like coming from my guy? How can I?
Then go propose. No, sister.
And now per coin I would be proposing.
I don't have a problem with the proposing stuff. No, I can do it. You know me, I can do it. But
and if I come Bible.
All night mogpa.
Modest.
Wait, the guy will propose.
No wait.
propose.
Waiting, now nyame abo.
Maybe
Corona chine.
Ochina no we.
Then it means you don't.
Oh, but seriously, the thing is, go and propose to the guy if you like him.
Simple.
You understand? Send your Bempa or pay catch on.
This generation, no, massa. Have you forgotten? And they say a guy, it's normal for a guy to propose to you, then you ignore it. You were here talking about experience, and today you go and propose again.
She go and propose to a guy. So
okay, they say now they check account they cost senior man.
And invitation card 2020.
I know say to trade and
no, the thing is for your teacher or you're in national service, left with about if I'm a big teacher. Or you
propose.
I can't live about 3 months. No way, you will leave.
Of course, sorry, baby.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. To now way. Like, haven't you seen this guy like that?
We've not seen
six-pack. I mean, me explaining like.
Working the boss here who was 6-pack.
Near crying boy.
Like, hey, haven't you seen like catching
baby?
Kofi beja.
Hey, Kofi.
Beja. Only beja. Na uko share dia.
But so we are romantic. Like they pay. You know, so sugar daddy be now. Or before you pay, I don't know.
Kofi nyasa.
Is it the only I want this guy that now dear my plan, my purpose
when DJ boy
nice
compared to Kofi Nyasa.
You see. It is one scrub. Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
So when I say lady, you are waiting me can I name? We quite have a 1 month.
That's 2 weeks guy. And 2 weeks. I
don't know.
Or child was school.
Open. I don't like that. Don't go there. It doesn't matter. Me problem, they say I've seen this guy. I want to date him. Baby, I will try and he being a teacher or whatever.
just access.
Also, I get
schools like by now.
And family. I want to be the queen. After that, no, I will know how to handle him. You get it? Oh, please. Oh,
but serious.
So finally, you person me then, more person me then. Me then will be.
Me what dear and can make off with a pack of a guy. I'll just propose to the guy because there's no harm in trying.
I will share.
Me, I will wait. I'll wait for him to propose. It's just wait for him to propose. That one is good because if you propose right now, he will tell his friends. They will laugh at you. So wait and then you propose. Okay, it's me. What men can do, women can do better. So go ahead and propose to you. It's normal. 2 weeks relationship, they all can't tell anything.
They say after the 2 weeks, I'll be adding some like a week or. You don't worry.
Okay,
what
so
wait. Just tell him.
How are you going to do it? Like,
no, Sonia, Simon.
Champagne.
All right. So viewers, please just leave your comments under it. Should I go on and propose? Should I wait? What should I do? Please leave your comments under it. Your sister is damn confused. Thank you.